Hey everybody, welcome back to Hustle House Performance Automotive. This week we are heading to Maple Grove Raceway for our first Throttle Throwdown that's been thrown by 8 big huge YouTubers, including TJ Hunt, which is the main guy. The other ones I don't know, but they did a great job too. It's import versus domestic, right?
It sure is. About this time I ain't seen many domestics, you know, but I do see a lot of kraut wagons, rice burners, man buns, and folks with 2 different color shoes.
So this ain't our regular kind of crowd, but you know, we enjoy it and we appreciate them all. So
I'll tell you this, Tony Angelo's there. Stay tuned, feller. And he's got the Camaro, and he's going to get down there and he's going to wipe up the whole field with that Camaro.
You're only saying that because you got a hat.
Yep. All right, guys, this is how it went. Check it out.
Come on, baby, let's get you a hat. It's the only fancy hat I'll see you wear. Kind of like a black t-shirt. I kind of like the blue one too. Down and dirty hot rod.
Out today, we have plenty of activities going down. Thank you to all our content coming out here, just down the road all the way across.
Hey, we're a little small channel out of around Pittsburgh.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
This is a wicked event. I'm excited about it.
Yeah. Hey, I think we'll give you a card if you're ever down our way broke down or something. Give us a call.
Yeah, absolutely.
We got like a hammer and screwdriver down there.
That's perfect. That's all we need usually.
Hey, love the show, man. Love your cool rides.
Thanks, man. Yeah, we just got it together. We put a 9-inch in it, tubular front end, put a cage in it this week, and bigger, slightly different turbo. And then we're fighting boost problems. We just got it working yesterday morning.
Hot dog.
Took it off the trailer. It feels good.
We just hope to see some of the Mopars out here.
Yeah, oh yeah. I thought about getting my Demon out this morning, but we didn't. We were so crunched for time.
Yeah, I think it's like 300 to 1 imports here. So
yeah, absolutely. At least we got something with V8s in it.
As soon as I rounded the corner, the only thing I saw was a truck.
Yeah.
That lovely truck.
Yeah,
you're one of my favorites.
I didn't know whose it was. I was like, I always see that truck.
It's got a 6-cylinder, but we put a turbo on it with a carburetor. It works awesome. I drive it all the time.
Oh yeah.
Awesome looking.
Yeah.
That was worth a 4-hour trip, wasn't it?
Yep. Well, you're our only hope, bud. So
Cool.
Right there.
wipe the floor with them.
Yeah. I'll do my best. Nice to meet you.
I told you Tony was there. Man, did I just have my foot all up in my mouth the whole time.
Oh,
hey,
honey.
Tony, want my phone number? You might break down.
Honey, you did great. I thought you
If
did.
Tony was upside down here in Dunbar Creek Rips Auto Garage, you still won't call us, okay?
You offered him screwdrivers we don't have. That's all that matters.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, look, it's Tony Angelo from Stay Tuned YouTube channel with his amazing Bowmara Camaro.
I like this truck.
Why couldn't I just do an interview like everybody else? You know, I made a fool of myself in front of one of the biggest YouTubers I'll ever meet. Okay.
You got a little nervous, that's all.
Dang it!
Just sidetracked.
Idiot!
It happened.
All right, here's some more. Check it out.
set up a tree. They're going to negotiate certain things. So
Hot dog. That should say Sweet Mama right down the side of it.
Yeah, it should. And it should also be loaded up on our trailer to drive it home.
It's gorgeous.
It's so cute. I could literally probably go like this. Look. Just a couple more inches. That's how little it is. Some of groceries.
Pocketbook right in the back of there, Sweet Mama. Sweet Mama, what is it with the little vehicles? You know?
They're so cute.
See, if you own it, then I've got to ride in it.
Right?
And I look every bit as stupid as the vehicle we're in.
Looks mexy, honey. You pull it off.
Yeah, she wants to put a Sweet Mama sticker on the Bronco and have me drive it around. Hey, Sweet Mama. Yeah, no.
You know what? High, wide, what'd you say?
High, wide, and handsome.
He was going to put it on the helmet, and I was going to be proud to drive
That's
it.
a good one. Well, yeah. How about Fayette County Stud? Put it on there and let you drive around in it or something.
I'll rock that witch.
Yeah, okay. We'll see. All right, here's a little bit more for y'all.
if Jake wins, he donates 10 grand, but like, what is Lee doing if he wins? Is there any negotiation there? That's not coming.
We are home, Sweet Mama. Now we're talking Hustle House. Hang on! I seen so many man buns and like different color
So
shoes.
just Lee with the nitrous off. That's
Finally,
what it comes
my
down
people.
to. Ooh, so here we go. Another case of American drag car, the hypercar, who can catch him on the top end.
Yep, and Lee was pleading his case that the car makes no horsepower without nitrous.
Oh, I guess there was a couple domestics there. Not only a couple domestics, but
He means a couple.
a couple. How about like having a black Charger with a blown Hemi in it? It makes up for the lack of domestics there.
How about the dude that was mimicking Diesel?
Yeah.
Diesel or whatever. You wouldn't even say hi to him.
Yeah, I wouldn't even say hi to that guy. He's not the real man. He wasn't fooling me none. No.
Kids loved him.
Yep, awesome looking Charger, guys.
Oh, beautiful.
You know, if they would took it out there, it would have stood on the back bumper and just defeated them all. But yeah, I guess it was domestic related content, and they didn't want it to happen, so they just left him parked in the show field.
You'd have cried.
Yeah. Anywho, here's more. Check this out. Taking a float, Sweet Mama?
Starting to think it's number one, honey.
Of all things, we're already like 2 campers deep here, okay? Now we're going to be pulling the boats in, I guess.
It was so cute, guys. I did not see that coming. It was so awesome. And you know what? It held up with everybody, and it burned out like no other. I loved it. It was perfect. If they can do it, we can do it. I bet she paid
How about a
$400
Duster
for that.
or a Valiant or something? There's foreign versus domestic, and there's a boat there, okay? Where's the domestic?
It fit perfect. I loved it.
I'm going to have to participate next year, and I'm going to have to take about 10 of these junkers with me.
Here's more.
Yeah, that won't be on the map. All right, yep, here's a little bit more.
Sorry. Wow, this is your favorite?
Oh, okay, video works. Yeah. Screenshot it from there.
He tells us about you all the time, but
Oh, that's not good.
never met you. No, he said all good stuff.
Nice sweater. That's my favorite.
Well, I'm pretty daggone sure my son had a great time. And it's his fault, the reason why we got to go there.
Yeah,
Because it was
because-
his 26th birthday.
And he got to go for free. I'm sure he did have a good time.
It was his birthday.
Huh. Well, I didn't get a Maple Grove Raceway Park for my birthday, now did I?
He got VIP pass, he got a free t-shirt, and he bought himself a $70 t-shirt to support the Throttle Throwdown big event.
And I got to stand in line for 2 hours for a 50-cent hot dog. It cost me $8.
And he got to meet Ricky, his favorite YouTuber. I think he had a great day. And his face got burnt like a
for him.
lobster.
I got to see one charger. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks you for chewing on that mess that we just gave you.
My ears still hurt.
Yeah,
And my
most
face
of y'all's like me. We're all domestic, domestic. But hey, there's some cool stuff there, and we might have blurred the lines a little bit between the import and domestics. We might have got a little hankering for maybe a Datsun or something.
And if you visit all those guys' channels, you'll see how they built those cars and put them together and how much money they spent. And whew, you can see why they're
They
huge, big
spent
YouTubers.
some bucks.
Exactly.
Yep. Hey, sorry about the messed up format a little bit. There was no audio. We couldn't talk to the camera out there. It was
you
so
couldn't hear.
loud that I'm sure the guys with the big old super microphones with big woolly socks on them, they probably did okay. We couldn't. You couldn't hear nothing that we said.
We could barely film half the vehicles because there were so many people all the way around. When they say imports, there's a lot of freaking fans for that.
Yeah.
There's no doubt.
And speaking of the noise, we had this guy.
Many unbearable hours later.
See what I mean? Anywho,
It wasn't so bad.
Yeah, it was
He
pretty
did something
cool. It
you
was pretty
couldn't.
cool.
That's why you jelly.
y'all need to check it out next year if they have it. I'm sure they will.
It was fun.
Yeah, it would be called the second annual Throttle Throwdown at Maple Grove Raceway Park. I'm sure they have them all over the country, probably. Wherever you're from. I don't know.
I haven't learned all their names, but there are 8 of them, so we're still learning.
Yep, you'll be wanting to eat some sushi when you're done looking at all them imports. But hey, we're going to cut you all off there. We had a good time. Hope you all did too. Hey, next week, all you regulars, we got some really cool crap coming on. We're going to take something that you all love and we're going to cut it apart with a torch. You're all going to hate me. You're going to hate my guts, but it's going to happen.
They're going to be like, fine.
Tune in.